它从这个 LED 反射出来，然后它这里有一个盖，把那个上部的光线就把它盖掉了。
So you're using a reflector and then you're blocking the light out?
Yes, from top.
At this automotive parts production workshop in Foshan, American businessman Mike Grote is listening to a detailed introduction of the latest anti-glare headlights. Although this new product isn't yet in mass production, the prototype has already captured Grote's keen interest.
I would like a sampler. And then I will go out and see if I can drum up people that want them.
As China and the United States recently announced a series of tariff modification measures aimed at easing trade tensions between the world's two largest economies, Grote recognized the urgent need to seize this opportunity and accelerate partnership with Chinese factories. After a flight of over 10 hours from the US, Grote headed straight from the Guangzhou airport to the Foshan factory. He placed new orders while urging the factory to speed up existing orders.
Been here and they've made a lot of improvements. They have a good manufacturing system. It's all tracked. It's well done.
As a long-standing partner of the Foshan enterprise, Grote annually places orders worth over 10 million yuan.
We would love to see it get resolved, and then we can move forward with business. So if it's cooperating to make a better product, to make it serve the customer with more features that either make things more safe or more efficient, that's what we're supposed to do.
只是中美之间这种贸易互补性很强，这种互补性你不是说一刀切就能切掉。
Apart from business collaborations, he also experienced dragon boat racing during this trip to China.
Tiring, you know, but we made the turn. Yeah, it was fabulous.
实际上就是说，我们出海呢，更需要我们这个同舟共济，我们共同乘风破浪，砥砺前行。
So coming to Foshan to watch the boat races here reminds me of a great winning spirit, team spirit, good effort, hard work, much like we have a win-win relationship with our partner here.